This is an issue that I've found pretty common owning a few of these cars, especially for some reason lower mileage cars, obviously ones that have sat. So this one's kind of nasty. I picked it up pretty cheap for a motor swap. It's got 155,000 miles. Now this is a Mk3 Jetta. It's a 2.0 liter ABA. Let me show you here. A little snowy out today. Okay, kind of dirty under here. Okay, but basically, so what this car's doing is I got it home, don't have a battery in it right now, but got it running. Oil checked out. Initially it had a little bit of a skip, and it turned out someone had changed out spark plug wires, and one of the boots had stayed on, and it was causing the spark to jump out. So what this car started doing after warming up was it started smoking, billowing smoke. And I noticed after driving it, the brakes were fading really bad. Now I've done research because I've had this on 3 different cars, and I got to thinking about it. I was like, I know what that is, and but I wanted to put this out there so y'all could have an understanding of it, and possibly, hopefully, it'll help you in the future. So what happens is this master cylinder goes bad, and it leaks in the rear, and what it does is it fills up your brake booster here, and it'll start actually filling up to here, and then it starts pushing. Well, it's vacuum, so it's sucking the brake fluid right here into the intake, sucking it down, and you're basically partially running on brake fluid and blowing out a bunch of smoke. Disconnected that. Obviously ran like it had a vacuum leak, but it didn't smoke anymore. So that was the problem. Got a new master cylinder for this. I'm gonna do a how-to on installing it, and we'll get it on, get it bled, and she'll be good to go. Thanks, y'all.